don't know the things see the wrong about me. I know my life, left or right. I move my life. Don't think about me. I don't have problem to anybody. Life is not so easy. I'm fighting for all in their life. Every day, I'm working. I'm sweat off my body before they get my money. Don't think about me. My problem is not your problem. Why you concerned for my life? Don't think. I know my left and right. Everybody, check your road before you move your car. I know my left and right. I'll do my right thing of me. That life is not so easy to me. I take my everything on. I know my bad things. That's why I live my life. I don't say anything to anybody. Life is not close. I want to reach to outside. Many people to do. Jack, I close my door. I did for inside. I see the person to clock my bed. What's your problem? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. What is your problem? I say tell me. Don't come to me. I don't need anybody for me. I'll try to do my things. Jack, destroy us. What is happening to you? You come to my face to destroy it. I know you. I don't say anything to you. Don't think say I'm leave everything. I remember that things go now. Jack, before what is happening to me. I remember. I never forget. Don't try. Jack, yesterday I'm sorry. I say yesterday why? I'm sorry for you. Enemy, you pretend. You think I don't know anything. I know everything. Jack, let's go. Don't take anything. You be struggling every day. Before I get my money, I know how to spend my everything. I don't need anybody advice for my life. Don't try again. I remember before this I will forget. What happened to me? I'm not close for anybody. I'm thinking my life. Why? Why? I say why? 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 You don't know that yesterday night I would dream for many things. I never forget my dream.